Changing the battery. In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in a PS30 personal shopper. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the device face down on an anti-static mat. Loosen the crosshead screw in the handle of the device. The screw is held in with a retainer and will not come out of the battery cover. Lift up on the battery cover until it releases. Completely remove the battery cover from the device. Lift the battery to access the plastic tab on the battery cable connector. Press the tab to release the connector. Unplug and remove the battery. With the plastic tab facing the device's handle, press the new battery's cable connector into the power connector. The connector is designed to fit only one way. Rotate the battery into place. Install the battery cover tabs first onto the handle. Rotate the battery cover onto the device and press down. Tighten the crosshead screw.